Hi guys. So this weekend the weather is actually going to be better, and I decided to actually start cleaning up the front part of my car, the underbody of my car. I've already done the half, the rear part, as you've seen in the previous video, and I'll start working on it this afternoon, and hopefully throughout the weekend I will be done. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to complete it today, but I've noticed a few areas that I believe that should be addressed before it becomes a serious issue. Yeah, so hopefully again you like the video. If there's anything specifically you want me to improve or show you, let me know in the comments, okay? Can't tell the condition yet because obviously we have to remove the covers, but it's pretty dirty here. So removing the cover, we're able to see the real condition of the car. This is not completely a surprise, to be honest. That's how it looks. Doing an inspection here, I mean, there's rust, but I don't see huge concern here inspecting for cracks or anything like that, but I don't see that. Next step is to power wash this to have a better look into the rust, and then scrub it with the iron brush, and then clean it again with the engine degreaser and go towards protection. It's gonna take a while, this one. Don't think I'm gonna be able to do it at the end of one afternoon, but yeah, this is the condition now. So yeah, now I'm gonna obviously clean it up first, see how bad things are, and then go to the next step. No surprises here, just really applying some soap, washing it out so that I can then dry it, sand it, and then apply the protective coat. Forgot to cover this before, but this is pretty much all the material that I'm going to need, except for some sanding paper and some old rags to be able to dry things out and wipe dirt off the car. Taking a look at the weather, I'm actually gonna have to do part 2 tomorrow morning. Obviously I need to let things dry here, so by tomorrow it will be dry and I'll be able to finish off this task. So this I had to remove. Had a few rusty things, some rusty bolts here. Yeah, so we'll resume tomorrow morning. Hi guys, so things are pretty dry. I had to work on the ramp. I have to put some wood because the bumper would touch the ramp, so here it is. And I'm gonna put it up and start working. Yeah, things are dry now. Plenty of sanding to do today. I'll record everything as expected. Alright guys, so I'll start sanding all this rust. Let's see how it goes. So guys, I've been working on this for a few hours already. You can see some progress. It's definitely looking better. Most of it is surface rust. I still have a bit to go. This one I have a photo of the before and after. You can see a massive difference. This part as well required a little bit of work here. I'm gonna work on this area around the brakes as well. That's a tricky area to work on, but I'll try to do something in there. Yeah, gotta keep on doing this. Then I'm gonna apply some engine degreaser and thinner, and then hopefully I can apply protection today. So yeah, obviously as I go deeper, I see newer things that need to be addressed. I'm already working on a few things. All the way this piece here. I'm gonna work over here as well, and then that one where we have the jack stand. Yeah, and working on as many areas as I can. I may get up to 90%. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get 100% of all the single spots here, but yeah, some progress. All right guys, so right now just gonna brush away all the dust, then I'm gonna apply the cleaner, wait for it to dry, and then apply the protective coat. So guys, this is the result after putting the engine degreaser. Looks much better in my opinion than it was this morning. So pretty happy. Obviously there's more work to do. Gotta wait for this to dry and then start masking with a lot of tape and newspaper, and prepare for the protective coat. So yeah, looking much better. I'm pleased with the outcome so far. So we're getting to the phase now, ready to paint. Masking as much as I can, and then proceed. So that's what it looks like with the first coat. Big difference. Big difference. So guys, job finished. That's what it looks like after pretty much the whole day. Spent the whole day here today. Really happy with the outcome. It's day and night, really. As I said, I'm not expecting it to be perfect, but overall happy with it. Really happy.